in the book, there is a little quote that says, "The same God who saves also speaks." So listen. So listen to what God is telling you. Listen to what yourself is telling you. Listen, listen, listen. I know we often think, oh, we got this our own selves, we can handle this. But when we have God, we don't have to do everything by ourselves.
Bag full of cash, no project on me. Name brands on the tag, I keep profit on me. I'm just trying to last, living like I'm Tony. First class flights, I got gas on me. I don't waste time, first class only.
Good morning, gorgeous. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning, beautiful people. Today we are on day 3 of our 40-day sugar fast. I know day 3 sounds like a very long way to go from 40, but we are staying consistent. We are basically following the guidelines of this book. We are putting in the work so that we can be successful, so that we can not only train our minds, but train our body and become one with the Lord and walk in our purpose. Guys, on day 3, we are tasked with shouting God's victory over our lives even before He helps us tear down the stronghold that sugar has on us. So basically, the stronghold of sugar may be holding you back from an abundant life God has planned for you. You know, we definitely believe that when you are replacing everything and worshiping everything except what God has to offer, then we are definitely standing in our own way. So today, day 3, we are going to shout God's name in victory, and we are going to move out of our own way. Here are 5 takeaways from the Crumble walls of Jericho that can help you on your journey from slavery to freedom. So the first one is believe that this place is holy. Josh 5:15. Number 2 is ask Him to tell you His plan for you. Josh 3-7. Number 3, listen to the Lord. Josh 6:2. Number 4, obey. Josh 6:8. And number 5, last but not least, shout the victory before the walls fall. Josh 6:20. So on day 3, we are ending this with a prayer. God, you are strong and good and faithful. I'm shouting your praises before a single brick sprawl from the walls, holding me in and holding me back. You are able to set me free from all addictions, to heal all hurt, and get to the root of what's causing my sin and sadness. I can't stop praising you for what you have already done in my life. I am confident that you will bring down the strongholds in these present struggles. Lord, you are able and you are God. I'm blowing my horn and shouting your name. Amen.